Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hey everyone, this is the card kit of the month for May of 2026. I'm featuring quite a few of the in colors. So this is our new Stampin' Pad for the in colors. It is hydrangea hue, and as you can see, it is magnetized. It's a bigger felt pad, and for crisp, clean stamping, I actually use my this is a rubber mat, or like a Stampin' mat or piercing mat, we've called it before. And I twist the stamp on the pad and then I tap, tap, tap. So just a little heads up, it's a little different. I'm using the Words and Wishes stamp set. As you can see, I inked up with hydrangea hue, and now I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black because I'm going to be coloring. So I have the Stampin' mat out there. I might as well go ahead and use it. And here's a little extra piece of card. I just felt lazy and didn't want to remove that image off of my stamp block. So anyway, this is hydrangea hue. This is called the flicking method. So basically, I'm flicking in the light color, and then I'm going in with the dark color, and I'm going to flick the dark color so it blends seamlessly. There's many different ways you can do this. And oftentimes I go back with my light color and then I wait. So I am using our brand new Stampin', what's it called? Positioner paper. And I like to have a porous surface underneath while I'm coloring with my Stampin' blends. And let's see here. That was Strawberry Slush. Yes. That's an old in color. And then I chose to go ahead and do a yellow. So primaries, this is Golden Glow. So the one on the left and the one on the right are brand new in colors. And it's a nice to bring in a new thing. One of the other new things that I'm bringing in is the white gel marker Stampin' Up has created. I always write on my finger first. And I have noticed if you let your blends markers dry, it didn't discolor the gel. But I did notice when I went over my Strawberry Slush that the hearts that I was putting on that present, it got a little pink. So, but it didn't seem to discolor the yellow or the Golden Glow or the hydrangea hue. So this is kind of fun. You can, decorate and make something look different just with that pen. It's a gel pen. So here's my little hearts. They eventually turn pink, and I'm okay with that. Hearts can be pink, can't they? So and this is a pretty simple card. I'm sure that you guys are going to be able to zhuzh it up. I chose to do it this way because I have a 2-year-old that I am going to give this card to. But if you have something else that goes awesome with this type of layout, so go ahead and do it. I could see stamping along these little pieces. I chose to go in this manner because I felt like Golden Glow went nicely into Crisp Cantaloupe, went into nicely Barely Blush, and then that pink and Hydrangea Hue, which is kind of a purpley blue, a periwinkle, if you will. Anyway, there I put dimensional adhesive on the, that's a 2 3/8 inch circle punch, by the way. And that is the card kit for today. I'm sure your designs are going to be fantastic. Share them if you can. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I'll be back on Friday with a very cool build. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.